Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're sharing an incredible homemade cream that can help combat wrinkles around the eyes. While we can't turn back time, we can certainly slow down the effects of aging with this amazing mixture. Wrinkles tend to make their appearance, unfortunately, quite early, often by the age of 30. That's why it's essential to start with preventative measures in your 20s. By incorporating a few simple techniques and, possibly, seeking professional advice, we can significantly enhance our youthful appearance. In this video, we'll introduce you to an amazing cream that doesn't just address fine lines, but can even tackle deeper wrinkles, all in just one application. Watch as we demonstrate how to prepare and apply this fantastic mixture. Here's what you'll need. 2 chilled egg whites. 1 teaspoon of delicate flower honey. 1 teaspoon of nourishing olive oil. Application is a breeze. Thoroughly blend the 3 ingredients, ensuring an even consistency, and apply it generously around the entire eye area. Allow it to work its magic for about half an hour. When the time is up, rinse it off with lukewarm water. After just one use, prepare to be astonished by the incredible results. Don't miss out on this natural and effective way to care for your skin. Subscribe for more tips, tricks, and DIY beauty solutions. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.